So we have dragon fruit today. We've had dragon fruit before, but haven't recorded it or talked about it. So I believe what we have here is a Vietnamese white, and this one is definitely an Ecuador Palora. This is a yellow dragon fruit. From what I understand, they are on the sweeter side of dragon fruit. And if this is in fact a Vietnamese white, they tend to be more on the blander side. We've had it before. They're kind of kiwi-esque.
Casey, the sticker says from Ecuador.
Yeah, but you can grow the same varieties.
Casey, Ecuador.
We'll pop it open and see. I am ready to be wrong if it's a different color.
We're just going by what the tag says.
Alright. It's beautiful. There's the inside of a dragon fruit if you've never seen one. Yeah, and you can literally
Just peel it.
take off the whole
Just shove your thumb underneath there and
Yep. Or you can do like we did that other time and like cut it up.
yeah, you can cut it up like inside there and then take it out that way.
Yeah, like an avocado. Oh, I broke it.
Casey.
Well, I just work here.
Ruined me.
Yeah, they have a not a strong taste. They're refreshing.
Yeah, I almost lost it.
You almost dropped that.
No.
And when you eat your dragon fruit, they will taste better if you chill them first.
And like the first time we had dragon fruit, we had it at room temperature and we were like, this is just okay.
Yeah, and that one was also a white one, so it was bland on top of bland. But these would go really well in a fruit bowl.
Or a mixed drink.
There you go. There's just tons and tons of seeds.
Just seed and liquid. Oh god. What have we done?
And we are growing this and a few other white varieties in the garden. We got to try, I don't know if it was a Vietnamese white at the nursery like last month. And that one, what is your recollection of that one? Was it flavorful or just kind of similar?
I just remember it being like super juicy. And like it slipped out of my hand, but I still caught it.
Yeah. I think because it was white, it didn't jump out at me flavor-wise.
Yeah, usually the ones that are like darker,
Yeah.
like the ones that are like red in the center, those ones are like really nice and sweet.
Yeah, yeah. And we have a handful of the darker colored varieties that we're growing. So next we're going to try the Ecuador Palora.
Shove this back into its...
Nothing happened.
She's fine.
And the thing about the yellow ones
Sweet cute.
is they have a little bit different consistency.
They also
like-
have thicker seed,
Yeah, they got big old seeds.
and it looks different too.
Yeah. So for comparison, they're both white, but this one is like sort of more gelatinous. It's a different consistency. And I am experimenting with growing these ones from seed, and they have already sprouted, so we're have some of these at some point. Oh yeah, super sweet. Way more juicy. I'm making a mess of myself as usual.
Dare you?
But if I had to pick, I would definitely pick the yellow one every time because it tastes amazing. As soon as I can get my hands on some of the red flesh or magenta or pink flesh, anything that's not white of flesh dragon fruit, I will definitely make a video about that because there's a flavor range within the darker colored dragon fruit. Like apparently some of them taste like various candies or other fruits.
I like candy.
Yeah.
I like other fruit. If one tastes like cotton candy, like cotton candy grapes, growing at you can't stop me.
I think there was one that tasted like cotton candy. There's a long list of dragon fruit varieties out there that all have a range of tastes.
No, you mean to tell me.
I thought we discussed this. That's why I'm trying to grow a dozen different varieties in the backyard. So that was dragon fruit. They kind of captured my imagination because they look so exotic. And really, I went down a rabbit hole with exploring the different varieties within dragon fruit. And like I was saying, I'm growing about a dozen in the backyard now. I haven't started producing fruit yet, but I think we're going to get some this year. Alright, this is a little addendum to the video before it goes up. We were able to find a red flesh dragon fruit and a much larger yellow dragon fruit, probably an Ecuador Palora. So we'll see if this will definitely have a different taste. We'll see if this one tastes different from the smaller yellow one. Maybe it'll be a lot sweeter. So let's crack this one open.
Haha, Casey, guess what? We were lied to.
It's not even red?
No, she's white.
Wow.
Yeah. So, we were bamboozled.
Cut that out.
Wow.
That's crazy. Anyway, we could eat it.
Casey, how does it feel being lied to? It's like, yeah, it's red on the outside, but we.
This is the one you fought a customer for.
Yeah.
Crazy. I was looking forward to it.
I know.
It's like a different hue. It's like orangish.
Well, I'm sorry we were lied to. Now let's just enjoy the lie.
Yes.
It's still gonna be bitter? Yes. I had to fight a lady for this. Then she tried to take my avocados, so I started picking up very, very not ripe avocados until she got tired and left. And I finally picked out the good avocados. The ones that were prime.
You said you asked the produce people if the sign meant that it was red on the inside.
Yeah.
And they said yes.
Yeah. I called beforehand too. And I went in there and asked somebody. I don't like asking people. Unless it's necessary. This is necessary.
feel like this one's actually a little more bland than the last one.
Oh yeah.
That's because this has got nothing going for it. Wow.
It's just there.
It's like
It adds nothing to the party.
it almost has no sweetness.
It's just water.
Yeah. Huh. Been bamboozled. Thanks, Sprouts.
Why did you do this to me?
You want to try the yellow one?
Yes. Don't try to be choking. Here for a good time, not a long time. Wow, I really sucked at opening this one up. That is, my god.
There we go. That's the sweetness I'm looking for. I'm not sure that it is more developed just because it's a bigger fruit. What do you think?
I think it has the same flavor as the last one, but definitely juicier.
Okay.
Disappointment. Delicious.
Disappointment. Where's this from? It says Ecuador. It doesn't narrow it down. A lot of stuff is from Ecuador. Anyway, that was dragon fruit. I'm gonna actually put this video out now.
I'm still so disappointed.
Yeah, it wasn't red.
I was told it was
Red.
I was told it would be red on the inside. However, this isn't my first time being lied to. Especially